Hello everybody, my name is Motocross, and welcome to a game named Motocross Madness. Now in this game, we are going to be destroying some booties, or not, because we're 8th place. Oh, now we're 5th place. Wheelie, no, or not. I died again. This game sucks. Wait, no, I suck at this game. That's more like it. Move over, boy! Oh, I love this game. Third place, I can get at least second. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Go! Dragonfly? I do not get it. Get out of here. Can I get 8? Can I get first? Come on. Let your old pal get first. Come back here. You're not being a good sport. You are showing off, mister. Oh! I'm first! You guys can see it, right? Can you guys read that? Or is my graphics too bad on the game? I'm first out of 8. See, no one in front of me. Boom! Boom! Woohoo! Oh! Oh my god. Okay. Go. Oh. Final lap. Let's do this. Can I stay in first place the whole final lap? I think I might be able to if I don't get any crashes. Oh no. I got into a crash, didn't I? Yeah. No. 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 Oh, that overtake though. Oh, this is awesome. Look at that. Go, go. Whew. Oh my god, and I flew off. Eat that! Woo! I drove 4 miles in that race. 14 tricks as well. Like 5 seconds later, I'm just like, sup? After my victory dance. Woo! I just got leveled up! I just unlocked some stuff. I unlocked a new bike, guys. Garage. Bike selection. It says I got a new bike. Would this be it? This one. Okay, let's go. Oh, this bike is looks awesome. Driven 4 miles so far. Yeah, I already know this. Hello? Hi. Do you have this game? Oh, you should get it. Do you like racing games? You shouldn't get it. I just rammed somebody. Yeah. I'm doing a video right now, but I can end it short and we can do a Minecraft video. She left. Oh, I died. No. No, players. No. Really? Why? Use that boost, boy. Oh, I just rammed you. Ah! I just killed myself. Oh, that wheelie though. Oh, that beast trick. Go. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Wait, I survived. Oh, I survived? Ooh. No. Why am I getting taken over? This does not work for Nicholas. If he's taken over by a bunch of no-good snobs. That was so mean. Lap 2 out of 3. Lap 2 out of 3. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. We got this. Put your hands against the screen for good luck. Come on, guys. Come on. Do it! That trick, though. I'm almost done, Kaylee, and then I'll end off the video and we can do something else. Owie, my butts. My buttocks. Woo! Oh, tricks for days. I'm owning you, fools. Whee! Whee! Oh, that double trick, though! What are those? Cookies. I'm close to the ending, and I have absolutely demolished them. No! No! I'm third place right now? No, 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 no. You have got to be kidding me. No. Oh, that comeback. Wait, what? I thought this was the final lap. I'm sorry. I have to do one more. For some reason, I thought the second out of third lap was the final lap. Nick, one job. Oh, can I pull off the double trick? Oh! The double trick! Woo! Don't die. Nicholas, you've worked so hard to get so far. If you die, I'm gonna kill you. Again. That double trick though! Okay. Ninja! So ninja, so ninja, so ninja, so ninja! Woo! And wheelie to finish it off! Anyways, that's all the time I have left in this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like and comment below. If you didn't, then go check out our other video and you might like it. Bye guys.